Hello guys, welcome back to our new video, and today we are going to cover a new topic, which is emails dashboard inside Go High Level. Yes, so far as we have covered workflows, and workflows needs emails for the campaigns. So as we all know that emails are one of the main and a major part of any company or any businesses, because if you want to market your product, you have to follow email campaigns. Okay, so today we are going to cover the stats that every business follows, which keeps the tracks of how many emails are opened, how many emails are in the queue, and how many emails I have seen by the customers, etc, etc. So let's move to the GHL screen and let's learn how emails dashboard look like. Okay guys, now we are on our GHL screen, and on the left side, if you go to the marketing and then to the email, then you will see the emails dashboard. Yes, here is the email dashboard, and on the top side you can see there are some menus given showing us the filters, that whether you want to see all of your email campaigns or some of them. Let us open this and let's see how many campaigns are there. So there are 3 campaigns right now. It's email campaigns, workflow campaigns, bulk actions, so we can change them. Now I have set it up to all campaigns, so it will show us the data of all the campaigns running. So now we want to from some specific date till some specific date, so we can choose it from here. And other than that, if we move down, you can see there are 3 major options here. Okay, sorry, 4 major options are here. These options are very important for any business. Delivered tells us that how many emails are delivered to the clients or to the customers. Opened means that how many customers opened your email. Yes, in simple emails or Gmails we can't able to see that whether some person have opened my email or not, but GHL gives you this spot that you can see how many customers have opened your email. And if some of your emails contains links, like maybe the buttons or the links of another website, so GHL tracks that as well, that how many clients open your link inside the Gmail or not. Okay, so similarly order is working as well here. And after that, if we move down, we can see that how many emails are delivered till now, means this time range, in between this time range how many emails are get delivered, how many are get bounced. Bounce means those emails which are not delivered to the customer. There can be many reasons. Some of them are like maybe the customer email is not good, or he blocks you. Yes, that is possible. So that's why that customer haven't received your email yet, not yet. Unsubscribe means the one who unsubscribed your email, so that's why that customer will not going to receive your email. Other than spam complaints are there. And here you will see your open rate as well. Now, well, our open rate is 9.4, maybe on some of the campaigns. Yes, and other than that, here is the graph given, from where you can choose some specific date, and this will tells you that on this date how many emails are get open, how many emails, how many campaigns are getting run, and information like that. From here you can change this as well, like if I change it to email sent, you can see that the graph has now been changed, because one of the campaign we run on this date and the next campaign is on this date. Okay, so if you move down, then you will see major or the most open rate emails. Okay, means this email one has a highest open rate. Maybe this email is good, and this emails contains best information, good information for the businesses, for the persons, or for the customers. Then this email has highest open rate now. Other than that, there are 2 more options. One are the campaigns. So inside the campaigns we can build multiple emails, and for single email we have the templates option, where we will develop the templates of the email. There are 2 types of emails. One are the simple emails that we commonly write theoretically and send them to the customer. Other one contains the designs of your company, the brand of your company, or things like that, and those emails are built inside the templates. If I show you one of the emails like this one. Okay, this is a funnel automation California. Let me open one of them. Okay, It is getting loaded. Okay guys, till it loads, tell me that how many of you have built your own account till now, and whether you guys are ready to learn this course. We will provide you the link where we will deliver the classes, and also the sub account. Main thing is a sub account where you will get practice. Okay, those sub account will also provided by us. You will contact us, so we will register you on our booklets, and we will provide you the links or the account sub accounts. So here you can see that one of the email template that we designed here, and here is the link, here is the link, here are the links. So I hope this lecture is good for you and let's meet in another video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.